Okay. We are at Jozani Forest. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah.
We see them on the road. I don't know.
Uko shop sio? Tapi tulisubiri basi kwa sababu sasa mimi niko Jozani. Yeah, I met Jozani naendesha gari.
Let's go, I'll remember that. I'll remember that, Albert. Hi.
Hey, yo.
Bedtime story for Rebecca?
I'm going to say TMI.
Did you hear me?
Yeah?
Was that a bedtime story for Rebecca?
No. This is an American chap.
Jumbo Jumbo.
Jumbo one. Wow. Oh, cool. Really? Go.
No, don't go
one by one.
One by one. Yeah.
One by one.
Let's do it. They'll run away. No.
You go quick. You want to get a picture.
He's taking interest in you.
Remember Albert?
It's moving away.
I was saying near the road. We should check.
Kidogo ready.
Remember we are going.
And he's in the.
Maybe they look at the road. It's just close by.
Yeah.
I can't get any closer, right?
No.
So you can get closer.
You can.
Right? Tony?
No.
Oh, he's gone. Yeah. You got any?
Yeah, got you.
Have to go much closer.
You're too camouflage.
Yeah.
One there, above you. They're everywhere. It's crazy. Everywhere monkeys. Yeah. Good.
Hello. You're only a foot away from me. Good.
Guck mal, weißt du? Ja. Ey, du brauchst ja nur umdrehen und hast da...
Okay. I got a picture. Nice one.
Albert, Zanzibar. Go on, eh?
Unsere nächsten Verwandten.
This one.
No, he's gone.
That's my Shiba relaxing.
Peas on
No,
us.
he's
Yes,
making,
I'm
he's
just-
making different poses. Now he's shaking his
Oh my goodness. It'll be funny if he pees on us.
He's giving a look at the style he's kept this year.
I know.
Yeah.
Come from this side and take
Absolutely.
Like our
You know
babies
he's
at
going to
home.
aim at us.
No.
And
Tell
we'll
Benito. Tell Benito to go on this side.
The name of the trust.
It's going to look a bit old, isn't it?
Yeah, Apanam Zuri.
No, she's good. I want the one with the red noses, brother. Not the yellow one.
He's got a sad face, isn't he?
I don't think it's mentioned all of that.
Yeah.
What shall I do with this people? Baby, wenn wir abstürzen, müssen wir runterkommen. Ja, sogar. Wieder rumspringen.
The mother. Baby one, tiny one.
Unapokuja na watoto unajua alama ya tatu. Lakini hapa ngoma na fungu ile resting seed in some of this
Like a whole family together, eh?
Yeah. And little fellow's running.
He's having fun. Mother and father is having a break. Oh la la.
Those little fellows having a right game.
Yeah, yeah. They're lovely, no? Tiny.
But it's a human being, that's beautiful.
Hello.
Made Josani for us.
Hang on.
And then there's the other one. After you walk past.
Take out my hat. I'm taking photo of myself.
Look, it's Princess Sahara.
Okay.
Oh, that's so funny.
Princess Sahara.
Okay, so
That's a good one.
the monkeys we have seen, we call them Zanzibar Red Colobus Monkeys.
Yeah.
We call them Zanzibar because nowhere else except here. We call them red according to their color on their back. We call them Colobus, as Mr. Madeira told you, according to their 4 fingers. Because their 4 fingers, 5 toes. And we call them monkeys because they're monkeys too. That's why we call them Zanzibar Red Colobus Monkeys. There are about 2,300 of them according to the census, but this census was 7 years ago. So now we guess there are about 3,000 monkeys. Wow. And they can go many days without water because they get water from the flesh of the coconut and young leaf they eat. They don't eat ripe fruit because their stomach are unable to digest sugar. So they are vegetarians. They like a greenish things. They eat also much variety, you know. That's why they get phenolic acid in their stomach. So usually they eat a bark of guava, vernonia to remove it. You know, science and technology. It's not for the human being only, even for the animal. So these monkeys have learned to eat charcoal from their parent. Sorry. Nowadays they know charcoal is medicine. That's why they eat them to remove vocal lines. And it helps for their digestion. They live until 20 years old. They start to mature after 3 years old. Their gestation period about 6 months or 7. And normally have 1 baby, and the twins are very rare. So they nurse their babies until 17 months, but they can make a baby every 1 year, every 2 years, depending on food and energy in their body, because they're primate like us. So male monkey has a big head, broader face and big mouth like me. And a female has a small head, narrow face and teeth. Also they are pretty like you. So they live as a community. Multi-males, multi-females, babies and dominate without jealous. They are polygamy. You know, because they live in a Muslim country. One male can have 4 females, something like that. But one is the dominant male in the troop, and that's why they fight each other, because everyone wants to be alpha. So when a group will grow big over 50, and it's possible over 80, and the monkey, they split up and make it their own group. For example, like during this summertime, winter time, most of the almond, baobab trees and other kind of mango lose the leaves, you know. So the monkey could be suffering for food. That's time they split up in small groups. During the December time, you know, dry season, a lot of leaves come back again. Because the summer, new leaves start to come back. You know, so in December, you can see a lot of food in here. So the monkeys, that time, they stay in big group, you know. So I can say they like to play in the coolest part of the day, morning or evening. On the daytime, you can see the mama, you know, grooming their babies or, a siesta. So this, I can say we have for the monkey. And now we are here into the mangrove swamp. Mangrove is a collective name for all the saltwater swamp trees which is growing at the edge of ocean or sea only. Its growing condition of them differ from one species to another due to this amount of water, amount of salinity and shade tolerance of the species. So in the world there are more than 110 species of mangrove trees. In East Africa there are 11, in Zanzibar got 11 too. Today you can see them only 3 type of them along of this boardwalk. For instance, this one here called Syriopstago, you see the leaves are smaller one and surrounding one, and a bark something like pink. If you see that one, I got long roots, you see, and at the end of the leaf they are spiky. That's a Rhizophora macronata. And this one here, dark but no long roots. You see, the leaves are pointed. We call it the Bruguera gymnorrhiza. So these are 3. Avicennia marina and Seneratia are pioneer species and always grow on mud banks, creeks, and deep tributaries area, and don't require any fresh water. After those, usually you find 3 of these. Then really far away from the sea, you can find Psilocarpus granatum, Psilocarpus molucensis, and Lumitis rasmosa. Prefer a bit of salinity and water. Outside of tidal zone areas, you can see Pamphis acidula and Heritera litolaris. Don't prefer the salinity or water as well as shade, but still you call them mangrove according to the definition. Usually mangrove will grow from the seed, something like a pencil, germinate in the mum, grow up until mature time, then drops off, stick in the mud, and then a tree grows itself. That's why you see these saplings here. See, a lot of babies.
Are they indigenous?
Yeah,
Or did
they are
somebody bring-
indigenous. Yeah.
And one other question. You might have said it earlier, but I didn't hear. How long does it take the monkey get to maturity?
3
3 years.
Yeah.
3 years.
Until 6, like human, from 9 to 15.
Okay.
Is it true that if somebody eats one of the red colobus monkey, they will die?
Usually there is a reason. Because, those monkeys, they eat frequently. And because you can see this group come here, when this group remove, other group come, so they move around. So, tree eaten much. Doesn't make a photosynthesis well, Suddenly you can see tree doesn't make a fruit until die, So when die this tree, local people, they get a point. Monkey killed this tree. You see, this is one reason. Second one, if this monkey eaten by dog start to have a small ringworm and then lose all the fur and then die. You see, so according to this reason, people call them, these are poison monkeys. That's why we call them kimapunju in Swahili.
That's right.
So no one eat this monkey because they got special taboos.
Right.
Something like a other land crab, which you can find them somewhere. We call them Cambodia. Nobody eat that one because they got special taboos like a poison. But mainly we are saying their meat is not good also. They are a little bit bitter one. And also there are a lot of veins, It's not like a blue monkey. So people still, some of them, they eat blue monkey. So colobus got taboos like that. They protected themselves according to their actions.
And it's the only monkey that got 4 fingers, is that right? In the world.
On Zanzibar, yeah.
But is it true that they originated from the mainland?
We are saying subspecies of the red colobus because there is 5 red colobus in the world, and there are 15 colobus monkeys in the world too. So we are saying they are related from, red colobus. But people said like this monkey, they were isolated here when Zanzibar and mainland were together. So when separated this monkey, just they were here. But also other people arguing, say no, why we can't see fossil over there? And some they say it's not fossils, but because there is a red colobus on mainland, but not like this. You see, so could be changing according the climate or whatever, like evolution things.
So have we got some blue ones around here?
Yeah, we have.
Do they live separately? Do they breed together?
No,
The red
because
and
they're
the blue?
different species.
I know. I just
Yeah,
wondered.
they don't breed.
They won't
breed, but
a blue and a
they
red
can
won't-
meet
they will
because they
meet,
can
but they
meet
won't
here.
breed.
But no, yeah,
Very
because
interesting.
they are different. But that's a colobus. That's a special family, and blue is different because Sykes is a really monkey, and the colobus they are primate. You see, that's a different. If they are all of them monkey, like all of the monkey, they can breed, because they could be like a same family, same,
Yes,
different species but same family. But the colobus and Sykes, they are different family, because the other they are primate and other they are, monkeys. You see, so they're different. Even their habits is different. Sykes is a blue monkey.
The blue one.
Yeah.
Do they conflict? Do they fight at all?
No, they like each other between blue and colobus. But colobus and a colobus live in groups. When they meet, group and group fight each other. Sometimes they kill each other because they have
But
a big canine.
the blue live a little
when you talk about the Colobus monkeys, we have the blue monkeys and the red Colobus monkeys. When they meet, what is the result? Purple? They come out?
Nothing. That's what we are saying.
No, I want to know because
We are saying Colobus, Colobus is their primate. They have many things we have, like human
They
beings.
don't want to be purple.
But blue monkeys, they are really monkey.
yeah, no, you.
Yeah, that's why there's nothing happening.
No, I want to know what is
but
the breed.
I can
The
say,
result when they breed each
They
other.
don't.
What color they come out?
no,
No, they don't.
no baby. It means like someone like a bisexually. Sorry for this, no baby. Because it's not a good
Yeah,
way.
I know. And
One more question. Why is it that these red colobus monkeys are only in Jozani forest and not across the whole island?
Okay, they were in whole Zanzibar long time ago, but because demand of the people destroy forest much, and the people also kill them because these monkeys they were very bad. They destroy farmers' crops. So even government killed this monkey long time ago. So 25 years ago, government understood the importance of this, but North Coast it was big forest, but they finish all the forest, and they kill much this colobus. But Jozani was a protected since 50s. You see?
That's right, yeah.
So the most of the population of the monkey, they were here, Jozani until Charawe. This is central part, So until now, this monkey, they are here. Except because according to the protected, protection here,
So
now they are on south region. And we brought them in like a Masingini forest. Yes, we brought them.
Oh, I see.
But because they are nice forest, a lovely one, and a protected area, they are surviving. We brought them in Pemba and Gezi forest,
That's
but
it.
they are decreasing, and now I think they are nothing.
Oh,
Why is
wow.
We brought 100 monkey in
Why
there.
are they decreasing?
Because they like a natural habitats, and also they like a love and patience,
Right.
like our babies. So in Pemba, no patience,
Yeah.
and that's why, and the different climate a little bit. And we brought them in Chasing Zoo 22 years ago, like in England. Also, they didn't survive according to the climate.
They couldn't adapt.
Yeah, so now we are saying no colobus in any zoo in the world,
Oh, I see.
except Zanzibar.
Yeah, but you cannot export them and
No,
survive
because
because
Were they brought? They were
no,
not
because
brought.
if they can do that, only Americans. Because we have a big project here, funded by Americans. There one professor called Professor Soseka, and a senior PhD doctor, called Dr. Christine. These people, they deal to learning these colobus monkeys or doing research 30 years now, still continue. They did a genetic research to look at their behavior, now is monitoring papacy and other. And they expand their project. There are other people employed by them. They are getting money,
So if some of the monkeys were taken onto the mainland, they wouldn't survive.
No. And that's why you can see other monkey go tags on,
all right.
special for research.
I see the research
You see
people
them?
here,
Yeah, that's why.
They've been here for a long time.
Yeah.
Now, can I tell you? Right,
Just going to
right.
ask
So
you,
if
there
you
is
still
a,
one here, because there's someone still here, the Adas Deka. The one English guy.
so they are a protected species now,
Yes,
are they?
also in the endangered species too.
Are they also
Endemic and endangered.
dangerous?
Because now we brought them in Chumbe Island in Mnemba to produce them. So this guy was catched by, I think maybe American or English.
Right.
He was working here in Kea International.
Yes. And they found
Okay.
him.
Kea International.
Okay,
yeah.
UK.
No, Kea is a angel.
UK na you was
Yeah.
UK,
Yeah.
British wale.
Yeah, that one.
CRE.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
somebody,
NGO.
yes,
NGO.
NGO, yeah.
They
So
found
somebody
him.
was working in there.
So he was taking
They
them out.
caught him
Yeah,
doing
he did
what?
to steal,
caught
Adas
him.
Daika.
They caught him doing what?
No, because the government said, okay, because you are living here, now we give you 24 hours,
Yes.
you have to leave.
All right.
That is easy we are saying for you. Otherwise, we are going to assessing you. Because he was in jail or whatever. Yes. Only, it was only one.
Robbing and
And
selling.
that was dead,
I still don't understand
And
what
that was
this fellow
dead
doing.
because
He
that
was
guy,
stealing the monkeys.
that,
as well.
that,
Selling them.
that guy, he was doing the research of the Adas Daika. So one Daikas died,
Poaching.
so he took the corpse. He took the corpse from here to England, so was catched somewhere. And then because he was working here, and then the government give him 24 hours. and he brought the, back the dikers here. So if we took alive, I don't know what happening to him. So now it's very difficult to take a colobus somewhere because they're protected by law.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, so everybody can catch you. Not like only police or whatever.
Yeah. Because that's where the income comes. Now, like say, you know, they to help this place, they charge $8
$8.
they charge per person, foreigners, and residents half, 4. Residents like us, you know. So you see, so it's good, you know. So all that money they're getting, they did all this. You see.
Fantastic, absolutely.
See, before you could not come
Fantastic.
here.
It's getting.
So you see, so it comes slowly. So
Great
they build
tourist
a restaurant
attraction.
there, there's a restaurant, you can have a soft drink there, everything. And
So when did
cooler.
they create this or
What?
start working on this?
1997. 1997. Yeah. But it was the smallest one. You see that one. So it was rotten, and then we built this new
Just
one.
15
Yeah, you
years.
saw this one.
Yeah,
Yeah, these are
this is
small
a new,
bridge.
only 1 year now.
This one is.
That's what I thought. We didn't
That's
see this last
good. Yeah, we never saw this before.
Was it?
I thought that was for
And this
Let's
mangrove, you know, they are very important to protect the soil erosion, tsunami, hurricane. Good for, to protect the ozone layer for making much oxygen. Always making island bigger. Demand of the people, that's terrible. But now, these are protected by law because local people have cut them, you know, for firewood, charcoal making, a lime, building material, you know, furnitures. But now, very strict.
Yeah.
You see,
So
they
now
are
they
really
are very-
powerful, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also it's a
It's
one of
very
our ecosystem
regulated.
to protect the crustaceans. In the world, there are more than 2,500 species of crustaceans live in the mangrove in the world, like a crabs, prawn, and others.
Yeah.
And more than 200 species of fishes get birth in and live in the mangrove only. So if you destroy mangrove in the world, about 3,000 creatures be gone. You see, it's a one of breeding sites. Also, you know, when rain come, a lot of can say the pollution come in the mangrove. So mangrove working hard to make sure all the seawater becoming clean. Otherwise, the other creature will be die. You see, so mangrove, we are saying, clean the seawater from the pollution, and that's why the fishes and the coral survive well. And also mangrove give the fishes and the coral food because the nutrient from the mangroves washed outside of the sea during high tide and help to feed the coral and other living things in the sea. So these are very, very, very important. Yeah. This is
Do
a
we
guy.
have any mangrove on the west coast?
We have on Zanzibar. You know,
Sorry, east coast. Because we are
you know, on Zanzibar we have like beaches, coral cliff,
Yeah.
mangrove. Beaches, coral cliff, mangrove.
on
something
both
like
sides, east and
All
west.
over. All over. If you don't see the mangrove, you see beaches only that place. And then if you go in front of, then you can see like a mangrove.
There's mangroves in Fumba as well, isn't there?
Fumba,
As I
yes,
remember.
yes, yes.
Yeah, right in
Fumba.
Stone Town.
When it
In
rains.
Stone Town there is
Chuaka.
hotel.
Chuaka.
Hotel.
Yes.
Chuaka is famous, yeah.
Huyu alikuwa diver mzuri sana hapa. Alipokuwa akifanya
Long
kazi
time.
St. Mackenzie, alipokuwa kwa Serena sasa hivi. Alikuwa diver ambaye kama akifa mtu anazama yeye kwenda kuchukua. Kwa hiyo alikuwa hodari sana huyo. Anajua mambo mengi ya mambo ya bahari.
Know a little bit of the fish and the underwater world.
Underwater world.
Nothing about-
Underwater world. Ndio hiyo bahari. si?
Nothing about anything on land.
Land. Okay. Let's
Okay.
move.
Thank you very much indeed, Bona.
Thank you.
Oh, you go back here.
Maybe go back from here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, wengine
Asante
kidogo
bwana, yeah.
tunazima.
I think I'll faint. I'll be going round and round.
Not loop, elope.
Look. Look, if I... Recording.
You have to bend down if you bend down.
Give him
I can't, my knees hurting.
1,000 each.
Yeah,
You're
fine.
missing a video, go around.
Whatever you do, yeah.
What do you think, 1,000? Should we give him 1,000 each? Yeah. Will you be the banker?
How many are we? 11?
Yeah. What do you think? Too much?
Whatever, no.
Or 500? That's
No,
nothing.
too little.
1,000 is like a pound. No?
Yeah.
Go around, go around.
You want to be the banker, Richard?
Give me one. Yeah, give him.